Okay, so here's my project for DB10. With all the coding here. And then my comments at the bottom. Slide it over. But you'll be able to read this when you open that project. And then the rest of this here. Alright, let's go to debug. Start without debugging. Alright, now if I don't enter in anything at all, if I just leave everything blank, I'll get the login failed. And then, let's go back. Then when I go and enter in a username and password, I'll just do the first one here, ctrinks2121. Password RI67819. I get a new prompt that says to create a new password. So if I were to make a password, we'll do wdw082001. Just a random password. I got login successful.